In batch upscaling, images are often cropped and lose composition. In this video, I'll show you how to upscale them in high quality without cropping, while keeping the original aspect ratio. In our scenario, we have 3 images with different dimensions. Let's build our workflow to upscale them all together, ensuring each one is resized cleanly and proportionally without altering their original layouts.
IT helper, 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 helper. Helper, IT helper, IT helper, dip, over, IT helper, IT. Here, helper, IT, helper. IT helper. IT helper, IT helper, IT helper, IT helper, IT help.